Friends, now we'll continue exercise 6.1 from question number 4. Clear? What is the question number 4? You can see that if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is the line. Can you see AOB here? A line means the total value of AOB will be 180. So we can prove that AOB will be line. Okay. So how we can do that AOB line? Clear? So let's assume that. Let me draw the diagram also, so I can make a clear concept. Here it is x and here it is y. One more line is somewhere here. It is O. It is angle W and it is angle Z. Now AOB. We have to prove that AOB is line. So as I told you in earlier that whenever you are going to solve some numericals in terms of if and then, so first of all we can write here given. What is given to us? Given that x plus y, can you see x plus y is equal to z plus w. So what is to prove that AOB is a line. Now I can prove AOB line. We have some criteria. So let's write down proof now. So we'll write down that let's suppose that or you write down let's assume that AOB is a line. We have just assumed now AOB is what? A line. So can we say that x plus y is equal to 180? Why? Because it is a linear pair, that we all know. So we'll write therefore x plus y is equal to 180. What is the reason? It is what? Linear pair. Give it number 1. Can we write similarly also z plus w is equal to 180? Sure. Z plus w is equal to 180. It is also linear pair. Equation number 2. Clear? So we can say that the value of x plus y is also 180 and the value of z plus w is also 180. So what we can say that from 1 and 2 we can say that x plus y is equal to 180 is equal to z plus w. So we can say that therefore x plus y is equal to z plus w. So what it means? Our assumption is correct. So we'll write that hence our assumption is correct and therefore AOB is a line. Clear? So see how simple derivations are there. So we can do it very conformly. Now question number 5. It is given as a base is given here PQ and a perpendicular is drawn here. It is a fifth question, okay, and one ray is originated from O in such a way that OS. Clear? So one angle is given 90 and except it nothing is given. So what you have to prove that? We have to prove angle ROS. Can you see? Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS in bracket minus angle POS. That way to prove. Okay. So how to prove? solution. Can you see angle ROP? ROP is 90. Okay, so I will write here, since angle ROP is equal to angle ROS plus angle SOP. Yes, I can write, because it is what, 90. Okay, ROP is equal to ROS plus SOP. You can see here ROP is equal to ROS plus SOP. Now, so what is the value of ROS here? Therefore, angle ROS is equal to angle ROP minus angle SOP, or you can write POS. That's what you have to prove. Get number 1. Then I will write similarly angle ROS is equal to, now ROP can be replaced by what? Can you see here? ROS is equal to ROP minus POS. So it is the first condition. So now I am going to find QOS. Wait here. I will write here angle QOS is equal to, what is angle QOS? Simply I will write angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Clear? Once again, just have to target ROS, so I am just working behind ROS. First I got this one, and then I am writing angle QOS. QOS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. So again I will write here angle ROS is equal to what? Angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, what I will write? ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle what? ROQ. ROQ is 90. Clear? So this is our second condition. So what I am doing now, adding 1 and 2, this and this, adding 1 and 2. So ROS plus ROS I will write here angle ROS plus angle ROS, left side plus left side is equal to, now this one angle ROP, okay, minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus angle QOR. Clear? So by this way we have added. Now what will happen here? Can we guess that what is the value of POR? POR is 90. And what is the value of QOR? It is also 90. So I'll write here 90 minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus once again 90, because see, QOR is 90 and POR is 90. So 90 and 90 cancel. So I will write here ROS is 2 times. So I will write 2 angle ROS is equal to, first I will write angle QOS minus angle POS. So I will transfer to this side, that will become, therefore angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is what our requirement. Clear? So just see the solution very clearly. Once again I am showing you. Always try to be relent to take common ROS, and after adding it certainly will get the value. Clear? So I have solved almost 1 to 5 questions. One question is remaining, question number 6. So I will help you to solve question number 6. I will draw the diagram and some remaining parts you have to solve. Clear? So let me solve question number 6 now. It is given as angle XYZ is equal to 64 and XY is produced to a point P. So first of all, I will write like this: XYZ, X, Y and Z is what? 64. XY is produced to a point P somewhere. It is point P. Okay, and then draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ bisects ZYP. Okay, if a ray YQ now, YQ bisects ZYP. Bisects means dividing into two equal parts. So what you to find? We have to find XYQ. What you to find? XYQ as well as reflects QYP. So now how I'll proceed then? What the things I need now? If I am taking this X and X, okay, so after getting X and X, what will the value here? See, I will write 2x. I will write here angle, since angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ. Why? Because YQ is bisector. So therefore angle PYQ is equal to QYZ is equal to X. So now I'll write, since angle PYQ plus QYZ plus angle ZYX is equal to 180. I can write here linear pair. So x plus 64 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. 2x is equal to 116. So x is equal to 58. So we got now the answer of what? XYQ. So what is the value of XYQ now? XYQ, we have to find what? XYQ. So XYQ is equal to, I will write here angle QYZ plus angle ZYX. It is 58 plus 64 is equal to 122. Now I have to find the reflex of QYP. So right here, reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle QYP. So what is QYP? It is also 58 and it is also 58. So it will be 360 minus 58. So what is 360 minus 58? It is what? 302 degree. Clear? So by this way we got the two requirements. Clear? So you just check the calculation once again, and in my next segment I'll explain you some different new things for solving exercise 6.2. So complete it and maintain your notebook, because as soon as we will meet I will check your notebook also. So I have solved all the questions of 6.1. So please write it in your notebook. Clear? So stay home, stay safe, and goodbye. We'll meet with some new topics in my next segment. So take care of yourself. Clear? See it. Bye.